Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to IBS Home School. This is Muhammad Emdadul Haque, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 8. Our today's topic is Assignment-1, Part-1. Dear students, in this part I will show how to solve the problems of assignment. First part I will show, it means that question 1 I will solve in today's class. Okay, short question, it means part 2 I will solve in the next class. Okay, so see the question at first. Here title, comparison of simple profit and compound profit in the case of cooperative society savings scheme. It means that in case of cooperative society savings scheme, we have to compare the simple profit and compound profit. Here in case of simple profit, three statements or three informations are given at first here. First one is principal of savings scheme P equal to taka 15,000. Time period of completion of savings scheme N equal to 3 years. Rate of profit of savings scheme R equal to 9%. First question, after completion of certain time period of savings scheme, the amount of profit are equal to what? It means that when the 3 years will be completed, then what will be the simple profit of that savings scheme? We have to determine that. Okay, now question B. In case of simple profit, after completion of certain time period of step 2, it means that in step 2 here 3 years given, profit principal A equal to what? We have to determine. As here after completion of time, certain time period, it means that after 3 years we have to determine the profit principal. It means that if we can determine the profit in question A, then if we add this with the principal for question B, we will get the answer. It means that profit principal. Okay, dear students, now in case of compound profit, also three informations are given. First one, principal of savings scheme P equal to taka 15,000. Time period of completion of savings scheme, that is N equal to 3 years. Rate of profit of savings scheme R equal to 9% is given here. We have to answer these questions from this. Okay, dear students, now I will solve these two questions in case of simple profit at first. Then after completing this, then I will show how to solve these 5 questions depending on the given information. I will solve that later. Okay, dear students, now see. Solution. In case of simple profit, in case of simple profit, at first I will write the given information. So I will write given. What is given here? First one is principal of savings scheme. That is P equal to taka 15,000. 2, information 2 is given here. Second information is time period of completion of of savings scheme. Time period of completion of savings scheme N equal to 3 years. Then third information, that is given rate of profit of savings scheme. Rate of profit of savings scheme. That will be R equal to 9%. It means that 9 by 100. 9% means 9 by 100. These informations are given. So we can solve first question A. What is first question? First question is, after completion of certain time period of savings scheme, the amount of profit I equal to what? It means that we can write, we know simple profit I equal to PRN. We have to determine the value of I. Here I means simple profit. So put the value of P here. The value of P is taka 15,000. Value of R is 9 by 100 and value of N is 3. So if we calculate, what will we get? Now we can calculate here. We can cut by 100. If we cut by 100, we will get 150. So now if we multiply 150, 9 and 3, what will we get? We will get here, if we multiply 150, 9 and 3. If we multiply 150, 9, 3, we will get 4050 taka. So this is our simple profit. So you can write here simple profit. So this is our simple profit. So you can write here, after completion of certain time period of savings scheme, the amount of profit. Therefore, after completion of certain time period of savings scheme, the amount of profit I equal to taka 4050. So this is our answer of question A. Now I will solve question B. Okay, dear students, to solve question B, we need this information on the value of I. What is the value of I? The value of I is taka 4050. To solve B, we can write here B. From A we get the after completion of time period, certain time period, the amount of period of saving scheme, the amount of profit I equal to taka 4050. Here the principal is also given. Principal is P equal to taka 15,000. So we can write here, we know profit principal. Profit principal A equal to P plus I. Dear students, you know the value of P from the given information, that is taka 15,000, it means 15,000, and here value of I is taka 4050. I have determined in A. So the profit principal will be taka. If we add these two, we will get here 050 19050. It means 19,050 taka. That will be our profit principal. That will be our profit principal in case of simple profit. So I have solved question B. Now I will go to the compound. In case of compound profit. So I will write here the second part, that is in case of compound profit. The given informations are same, so I will not write this again, just I will write this given here. In case of compound profit. In case of compound profit, given information, these three are same. So no need to write this one for me again, but you have to write. Okay, dear students, you can arrange the solution yourself. Just I am showing the solution. Okay. Now see, these informations are given in case of compound profit also. These three informations are given, which I have written here. I will solve the first question here. What is the first question? At the end of first year, compound principal equal to what? Mentioning formula. It means that you have to mention the formula, then you have to determine the compound principal at the end of first year. To solve this, we need to know the formula in case of first year. At the end of first year, what is the formula of compound principal? So we can write here at the end of first year. At the end of first year, compound principal will be equal to P into 1 plus R whole to the power n. You know the formula, but here I have written first year, so we have to use 1. In case of 1, if you don't write this one, that will be also correct. As you wish, you can write 1 or not, as this is the compound principal in case of at the end of first year, as 1 is the value. If you don't give this one, that means 1. Okay. Now we can determine putting the value. P means 15,000. Here 1 plus R means 9 by 100. Here 1, if you want, you can write or not, as you wish. Now this means 1.09. If we calculate here, we will get 1.09. So if we multiply 15,000 by 1.09, what will we get? 15,000 multiplied by 1.09. 16350. You will get taka 16350. So this is our solution of first question. So we can write, and at the end of first year, compound principal is, therefore at the end of first year, compound principal is taka 16350. This is our solution for question A. Now I have to solve question B. 6350. Now I have to solve question B. What is question B? See question B now. At the end of second year, compound principle. Mentioning formula, we have to determine the compound principle. Dear students, now see at the end of second year, just I'll write at the end of second year here. So what we need to do here? Just you have to understand. Nothing to change here. Just I'll write at the end of second year. I'll write here B. This should be question B. This should be question B. So I have to write here second year. I'll not change more. Just you will write again. You will write at the end of second year. At the end of second year, compound principle. What will be the compound principle? As I have written here second year. So we have to use here square. It means 2. It means 2. Now you can put the value and you will get a square here. You will get a square and you will get a square here. So if you take the square of 1.09 and then multiply that by 15,000, you will get the required answer. Then time it will be changed. It will be changed. So this one also will be changed. This one also will be changed. Just we have to write second year. So you will get here at the end of second year, you will get, if you calculate, multiply 1.09 2 times. 1.09 2 times. You will get 17,821.5. 821.5. 21.5. This will be our answer. It means that compound principle at the end of second year. So you will get here second year compound principle is taka 17821.5. So this is our answer for question B. Now I have to determine the answer for question C. What is question C? Question C is at the end of third year compound principle equal to what? Mentioning the formula. So what should be the formula now? As we have to write at the end of third year, so this should be third year. This should be third year. I can change by third year. You have to write this part again. Okay. Now compound principle. At the end of third year, compound principle. As I have written third year, so we have to write here 3. So we have to write here 3. If it is 3, then this one will be 3. And this one will be also 3. So what will be the answer now? Now answer will be, now see here, if we calculate, it means that we have to multiply 1.093 times, then we have to multiply that by 15,000. If we multiply, what will we get? We will get here 19,425. That is 19,425.435. 19,425.435. So at the end of third year, what will be our profit principle, compound principle? Our compound principle will be at the end of third year, our compound principle will be 19,425.435. Dear students, it means that this is question C. This is question C. This is question C at the end of third year, compound principle. So formula must be P into 1 plus R whole cube. As this is third year, so we have to write the index 3. If it is first year, we have to write the index 1. If it is second year, we have to use the index 2. If it is third year, we have to write the index 3. Okay, dear students. So if you calculate, you will get this as the compound principle at the end of third year. Now, what is the next question? Question D. after a certain period, time period, it means 3 years. Compound profit, what? Here certain time period means, 3 years is given here. So at the end of third year, we know the compound principle. It means that at the end of or the after the certain time period, we'll get the compound principle in C, that is 19,425. If we subtract the principal from this, we'll get the compound profit, as we have to determine the compound profit. So we can solve question D now. Okay, dear students, now see question D. This information we need here. Question D. Question D is after the certain time period. After the certain time period, it means 3 years. 3 years. Compound from C. From C we get compound principle. What is the compound principle? Compound principle we have obtained taka 19425.435. This is our compound principle after the certain time period. Okay. Now, as this is the compound principle, so if we subtract the principal, it means 15,000 taka. From this, we'll get the compound profit. So we can write here. So compound profit equal to taka 19425.435 minus taka 15,000. So we'll get here taka, if we subtract, we'll get 4,425.435. 4,425.435. So what will we get? Okay, dear students, now see. Question D is solved. Question D is solved. Now we have to solve question E. What is question E? Determine the difference between simple profit and compound profit after the certain time period. It means after 3 years we have to determine the difference between simple profit and compound profit. In case of simple profit, we know from the above, we know the profit after the certain time period, the profit is 4,050. That we have determined in case of, in the first case, it means in case of question A, we have determined I, that is 4,050. So if we subtract 4,050 from the compound profit, we will get the difference. Okay, dear students, now I am solving question E. Question E. Dear students, question E, in case of question E, we have to write after the completion of certain time period. It means 3 years. from, in case of simple profit, in case of simple profit, in case of simple profit, from A we get the amount of profit, or we can write simple profit I equal to taka 4050 that we have determined in question A in case of simple profit, and from D in case of, or we can write and in case of compound profit. From D we get compound profit is taka that we have determined, that is 4425.435, 4425.435 that we have determined in question D. So if we subtract the simple profit from this compound profit, we will get the difference. Therefore, difference between simple profit and compound profit. That will be equal to taka 4425.435 minus 4050. So what will we get? We will get taka, if we subtract 4050 from this, what will we get? We will get 375.435. This is our required answer for question E. Dear students, I hope you have understood the solution of question in case of compound profit also. Okay, now here is another question given. Question number is not given. Depending on, in case of simple profit and in case of compound profit, depending on these two system, we have to say which system is convenient in case of saving scheme, in case of saving scheme of cooperative society. Okay, so we can say here from the above comparative discussion, we can say that here compound principal is greater, compound profit is greater than the simple profit. As compound profit is greater than the simple profit, so we can say the system, compound system, which one is in case of compound profit, that is convenient. So compound profit is convenient. So we can answer question. The next question we can say in this way, from the comparative discussion given, from the above comparative discussion, we can say that from the above comparative discussion, we can say that the system, in which system we will get the more profit, in case of compound profit we will get the more profit. So compound profit is convenient system, is convenient. Okay, in case of savings of cooperative society, cooperative societies, in case of saving scheme of cooperative society. So last question we can write in this way: from the above discussion, we observed that compound profit is convenient. A compound profit is convenient in case of savings of savings scheme of cooperative society. Okay, dear students, I have solved this question. I'll solve the next question, short questions in the next class. Just I'll show how to solve. I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Do your assignment properly and submit timely. Your submission date is 22 November. Okay, dear students, keep practicing at home, abide by your parents, stay home, stay safe. See you again. Till then, Salam alaikum.